Hello you guys. Okay, hey guys. Today I'm gonna make chocala.
You shut up.
Huh? Okay. Use 1 cup. Oh, and you have to use this. Okay. You put it into the half, and then you're gonna get sick. You put the milk first. Nothing. You put this first. You open it up. I was just making it. You use
Yeah.
oh fuck.
Hey.
Oh, there we go. Okay. One spoon. You only use 1 spoon. So, guys, you use goat milk and 1 cup and 1 cup of 1 spoon of chocolate milk. Okay? You make chocolate. Okay, then you put the milk and you put it to the half. Half. Oh, and kids, you're gonna need some help. Okay? Well, some. Okay? So, okay. Then, this is what you do. Then you grab it. And you mix it. Do you want 1 cup or 2?
No.
2 cups of spoon or 1 cup of spoon?
Tú, para no sentir el olor de la cabra porque me da.
¿Le da asco?
Un poquito. No me gusta olerlo. No me da asco, no me gusta olerle el.
Actually, you put 2 spoons. Because then you guys smell the milk and it's nasty. So, okay. Sometimes it's hard to mix. And then you got your chocolate. But you can put it in the microwave for 1 minute if you want to, or you can just have it cold like that. But now I am gonna cook it and put it in the microwave for 1 minute so it can be warm and good. So, okay, there you go. Bye guys.